Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust contrast of an image in Canva, one of the quickest ways to make your visuals look more professional and eye-catching. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the control and how to use it to make your photos pop without overdoing it, which is especially important if you're creating product images, ads, or website graphics for your Shopify store. Start by opening your project in Canva, the one that already has the image you want to improve. This could be a product photo, a banner image, or even a social media graphic. Once your design is on the screen, click directly on the image you want to adjust. This tells Canva that you're working with that specific photo and unlocks all the editing options tied to it, instead of the overall design. With the image selected, look toward the top toolbar and click Edit. This opens Canva's editing tools so you can make precise changes without affecting other elements in your design. In the editing sidebar that appears, choose Adjust. This is the section where you'll find foundational image controls, including brightness, saturation, and of course, the contrast slider, which plays a big role in how clear and impactful your image looks. Now locate the contrast slider and slowly move it to see the effect in real time. Dragging to the right increases contrast, making dark areas darker and bright areas brighter. This can add punch and definition, great for flat or washed out images, and especially useful for making products stand out against the background. Dragging to the left softens contrast, which can be useful if your image looks too harsh or if you want a gentler, more muted feel, like for lifestyle or branding images. As you adjust, keep your eye on important details like faces, text overlays, and shadow areas, since these are often the first things to suffer from too much contrast. A little contrast goes a long way. If highlights start to look blown out or shadows lose detail, pull back slightly until everything looks balanced. Try making a small change, pausing, then toggling the slider back and forth to sense the sweet spot. Think of it as nudging your image toward clarity rather than pushing it to extremes, which helps maintain a clean, professional look. If you want to check your progress, briefly move the slider to 0 and then back up to your preferred setting to compare before and after. This quick comparison helps you see whether the adjustment is actually improving the image or just making it different. If you decide the change isn't working, use the Reset option in the Adjust panel to return contrast to its default state and start fresh without any pressure. When you're happy with the look, that's it. Your contrast adjustment is complete. Canva saves changes to your project automatically, so you don't need to take any extra steps or worry about losing your work. Take a final glance at the whole design to make sure the image still works well with your layout and colors, and that the contrast enhances rather than distracts from your message or product. You've just learned the simplest, most direct way to refine an image in Canva. Open your project, select the image, click Edit, go to Adjust, and tune the contrast slider to your liking. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to dial in the perfect balance every time, making your store visuals look sharper, more polished, and more trustworthy to potential customers. If you found it helpful, give it a quick like. It really helps support the channel. If you want more simple, practical Canva tutorials to improve your designs, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you're not sure what to watch next, check out the playlist on screen right now for more step-by-step Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.